Hello, good evening. It's been a funny old day, one way and another. Um, Still, I'm home now, and I've been asked to make the layout available not this Thursday, but next Thursday for some old chaps to play with, and that seems like a good idea. But I'd like to make some improvements to it before then. And what I'm going to be doing is, if you look at this wall down here, uh, what's going to go there is a gate and then another wall. The idea is that this is an engine shed where men work, and it's going to have a wall all the way round it, and the men have got to get in and out. So I'm going to build a gate, and I'm going to build a nice wrought iron gate. That seems pretty sensible, doesn't it? Making a wrought iron gate to go in a gateway there. I've fixed that wall down. It needs dressing in and making pretty. But that's something that I'm going to be doing tonight, is working out how to make a wrought iron gate. Now, I was thinking, how on earth do you make a wrought iron gate that's 3/4 an inch wide and about an inch high? Fortunately, where I work, we get a lot of stuff comes in boxes. So the first thing I'm going to do is hack this box about and make a building jig. I'm going to use cardboard because when you weld, it's always sensible to weld in a cardboard jig, isn't it? Yeah, anyway, later I'll show you how it's done. Well, I thought I'd just show you. This is the next stage of this job. The seat pan is in. It wants some staining, but I've got mahogany stain red, and I really want something a little bit lighter or browner. So that can wait. I have glued it in, as suggested by Bruce. It's made the chair very, very firm. Where it's going to be used, it's generally going to have a cushion stuck on it, so you know, there we are. That's a little bit of progress, but I've been making noise doing this, and I don't think that's fair on the neighbours. Oh yeah, out of shot, I did cheat a bit in the finish. Yeah, had to be done. Right, that's that. I'm going to go sit down and chill out